Aloha. This is going to be a short video. My remove and replace battery was a fail. I went and bought another charger. What happened was the hatch light would come on, but when I went to get in the car, nothing. Do you know how when you open the door in a C7, the window goes down a little bit? Well, I tried to open this door so many times that my window is completely down and won't go back up. The passenger on the other side will go down and go back up, but when you try to start the car, there's no gauges, there's no power, there's no nothing. So I don't know what the problem is. I don't know if this new battery was faulty when I bought it or if it's some other issue. I'll have to sort it out and I'll get back to you about that. Aloha and stay safe.